Hey, young world, it's your boy Tre'mendous, aka Tre'mendous, in the building.
It's a crime shame, lame act like they ain't heard about a game. In the midst of this spawn wireframes, gotta make the money mail cause I'm tired of fame.
And I'm gonna share a session with you guys that I done in Cubasis. We're gonna start from the ground up and then build and go to desktop DAWs. But I produced this track on an iPhone 13 Pro in Cubasis 3, exported the stems, the audio stems, and imported it over to Android. Test out the track on the Kindle, apply some audio effects, some internal DSPs or whatnot. And I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about it. And I'm giving y'all the opportunity to download the Cubasis session for all Cubasis owners, Cubasis 3, as well as access to the audio stems. So anyone who owns any DAW, from Ableton Live to Reaper, can import that audio stems at 88 BPM and rock out with us. So I hope y'all dig it. The beat is made up of 4 tracks with a sample bounce down on the first track, and 808 on track 2, hats on the third, and a kick and snare on the fourth. Now we can't forget to back up the session. I prefer to save my sessions and sounds to the cloud. I use an app called P-Cloud, which has cool features such as branded links like the one we're sharing this session with in the video description, and a lifetime license, which is an industry first. They also got love for musicians, which is how they caught my attention, and you can try out P-Cloud for music and get 500 gigabytes free for 3 months. Check out another link in the description. And after you sign up, don't forget to add this session folder to your account. And you can follow along in our workshops at Labfreq.com and sign up so you can be notified when we add new sessions in the music production scene.